Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to use this device as a monitor. So in case you want to use this device as a monitor for another device, you either have to connect them both using an HDMI cable, but since I don't have any and since it is required, I will show you a different method which is quite more usable. All you have to do is connect to the same Wi-Fi network on this and the other device. And once you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, open the start menu, then go to settings. Then open the system settings, scroll down and select project into this PC option. Now select optional features right here, select view features and select search for the excuse me, let me go back. Select the wireless display, search for it, then select it, then click next, and then click add and wait until this feature is added. It has to be downloaded and installed to your PC. Okay, and once this feature is added to your PC, you have to go back to the system and select wireless project into this PC option again. Okay, it seems like this laptop should be restarted. Oh no, right now it's done. So yeah, go back to system, project into this PC, and change this option from always off to either available everywhere or available everywhere on secure networks if you're using a secure network. I'm gonna change it to available everywhere just in case. And that's basically enough. Now let me if you want this laptop to be discovered when it works on battery power, then switch this toggle to the left, and that will be enough. Now what we have to do now is grab the other device that is connected to the same another PC that is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Give me a second. And on another device, all you have to do is use Windows and K buttons combination at the same time, and then you'll see the list of available devices. Select this laptop on the list, and then confirm the connection on your other laptop by clicking OK. And at this point, your monitor will be projected to our ASUS VivoBook Go laptop. So everything that happens on the monitor of this PC will be transmitted to the laptop on the left, as you can see. And that is pretty much it. Now if you want to disconnect, you can either close this tab on your ASUS or you can use Windows K and disconnect from this device on your other device. from ASUS on your other device. And that's basically it. That's how you use your laptop as a monitor. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.